Laundry vocabulary with example. Laundry basket. Container for dirty clothes. Where is the laundry basket?
It's in the bathroom next to the washing machine.
Washer or washing machine. Machine to wash clothes. Is the washer still running?
No, it just finished a few minutes ago.
Clothesline. A rope for hanging clothes to dry. Did you hang the towels on the clothesline?
Yes, they're drying in the sun right now.
Drying rack. A drying rack is a frame or stand used to hang wet clothes on so they can air dry. Where did you put the drying rack?
It's in the balcony near the plants.
Clothespins or pegs. Clips used to hang clothes. Do we have enough clothespins for the laundry?
Yes, they're in the basket on the shelf.
Laundry. Clothes that need washing. Have you done the laundry yet?
Yes, I finished it this morning.
Laundry bag. Soft bag to carry dirty clothes. Did you see my laundry bag?
Yes, it's in your room near the closet.
Hamper. Container for storing dirty clothes. Should I put these dirty clothes in the hamper?
Yes, please. I'll do the laundry later.
Dryer. Machine to dry clothes. Can I put my clothes in the dryer now?
Yes, it's empty. Go ahead.
Detergent. Soap used to wash clothes. Which detergent should I use for the white clothes?
Use the one in the blue bottle, it's for whites.
Fabric softener. Makes clothes soft. Do we need to add fabric softener to the laundry?
Yes, it makes the clothes soft and fresh.
Bleach. Used to whiten or disinfect clothes. Can I use bleach to clean the white clothes?
Yes, but be careful and use it only in the right amount.
Stain remover. Product used to remove stains. Do you have a good stain remover for coffee stains?
Yes, I use this brand. It works really well on tough stains.
Wash. To clean clothes with water and detergent. How often should I wash my jeans?
It's best to wash jeans after every 3 to 4 wears to keep them looking good.
Dry. To remove moisture from clothes. How long does it usually take for clothes to dry outside?
It depends on the weather, but usually about 3 to 4 hours in sunlight.
Fold. To neatly arrange clothes after drying. Can you show me the best way to fold a shirt?
Sure. I'll teach you a simple method that keeps shirts neat and wrinkle-free.
Iron. To remove wrinkles using heat. Should I iron clothes when they are still slightly damp?
Yes, ironing damp clothes makes it easier to remove wrinkles.
Hang up. To put clothes on a hanger or line. Should I hang the shirts right after washing them?
Yes, it helps prevent wrinkles and makes them dry faster.
Load. To put clothes into the washer or dryer. Is it okay to wash a big load of clothes all at once?
Not really, overloading the machine can stop the clothes from getting properly clean.
Unload. To take clothes out of the machine. When should I unload the washing machine after it stops?
It's best to unload it right away to avoid any musty smell.
Soak. To leave clothes in water before washing. Should I soak the stained clothes before washing them?
Yes, soaking them for 30 minutes helps loosen the stains.
Ironing board. An ironing board is a flat, padded surface used to iron clothes on. Do you know where I can keep the ironing board in a small room?
Yes, you can hang it behind the door or slide it under the bed to save space.
Wrinkled. The word wrinkled means having small lines or folds, usually because something is crumpled, old, or not smooth. What's the best way to fix wrinkled clothes without ironing?
You can hang them in the bathroom while taking a hot shower. The steam helps reduce wrinkles.
Wrinkle-free. Clothes that don't get creased easily. How do you keep your clothes looking wrinkle-free after washing?
I take them out of the dryer quickly and fold or hang them right away.
Rinse. To wash with clean water. Do I need to rinse the clothes again after washing them?
No, the washing machine does the rinse cycle automatically.
Spin. To rotate quickly to remove water. What does the spin cycle do in the washing machine?
It removes excess water from the clothes so they dry faster.